on tablets like candy in a fair, while classrooms crumble and no one cares. Empty gadgets, no real gain, just more tax lost down the drain. Shake up the chalkboard, break down the walls. Education's crying in these dusty halls. No more silence, we raise our voice. It's time to fight, it's time to choice. Too many schools with too few dreams, spread too thin, or so it seems. Let's trim the waste, let quality grow, and give our kids a real chance to glow. Private teachers stand on shaky ground, no fair pay, no rights found. Enforce the Act of 81, minimum wage and EPF must be done. Shake up the chalkboard, break down the walls. Education's crying in these dusty halls. No more silence, we raise our voice. It's time to fight, it's time to choice. Gov schools must answer the call. No more hiding behind the wall. Let colleges breathe, let truth fly free. Give them the wings of autonomy. Depoliticize every grant and scheme. Let merit rise, let justice beam. Teachers must compete and rise above, with cooperation, not just love. MBOSE needs a bold new day. Match the boards that lead the way. Let exams reflect what students need, not just rote, but thought and deed. Shake up the chalkboard, we won't back down. Raise our hopes in every town. From Shillong Hills to change the skies, let real education rise.